Mag-fry ulit guys. My favorite stuffed dogs cheese. Cheese with cheese, cheese. Sarap to vlog guys. Masarap. Ay, ang tigas lang to. Matigas pa sa ulo ko. Sarap. Hotdog. Ang hotdog with cheese. Cheese, cheese. Malapit na maluto guys. Kainan na. Wala tayo pala itlog. Ubus na ating itlog. Di bali. Ito na lang.
Just absolute utter incompetence of the DEI and all of that. Well, here it is. A man named Rick Caruso, businessman who ran the Ambassador Mayor, saved his investment in his business for Palisades Village Mall with private firefighters and water tankers. Now, I wonder if folks in LA wish that maybe they would have elected this guy to take care of that.
Kainan na guys. Sarap guys eh. May pea, hotdog, cheese, and ketchup at saka kainan na sa cheese hotdog, dog. Ay, may cheese na pala. Naglagay pa ko cheese.